Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to translate with your camera using the Google Translate application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should click on this home button down below and then select your source and target language at the top of the screen. And when you are done, click on the camera icon below and direct your phone to the text that you would like to translate. Click on continue, tap on settings. Now you should allow the application to have access to your camera. Go to your phone settings, search for the Google Translate application and click on camera. Then go back to the app, direct your phone to the text that you translate, take a photo, and now you should scroll down and here you will be able to see the translated text. You can also show the original text and you can tap on any of the words that you would like to translate to your target language. So here you can see them zoom in and out, click on the relevant words or expressions. You should highlight them with this blue highlighter and you can see the translation below. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.